National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Powley, or 7 miles northeast of Westchester, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Westchester, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Norristown, Chester, Willingboro, Deptford, West Deptford, Lindenwold, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Belmore, Yedden, Westtown, Woodbury, Burlington, and Pittman. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 4. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 312 and 336. Northeast extension near mile marker 21. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 5 and 36. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 16 and 39. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. Atlantic City Expressway near mile marker 44.